Okay, for this question number 10, this is in February, March 2024. Okay, it's giving you a question, it's giving you a table, and this table shows this number and only 3 missing values. So complete the table. So what should I do first? What should I do first?
Substitute in the equation.
Yeah, substitute in the equation direct. You will get what here. So put 3 equal the 3. Put x equal -3. Then like this, calculate it. It will be -2.5. Okay. Then substitute with -0.5. It will be -1.25. Then substitute with 1. It will be 5.5. Any problem? Okay, now I have to do what bad? Easily draw it. Okay? Okay. Start drawing it like this. I will zoom out, or I will zoom in like this, and you can read it. Okay? First, -3 and -2.5. This is -3. Then -2.5 means between 2 and 3, between -2 and -3 here. So in the middle here, it will be like this point. Then I have -2.5 and 3.75. -2.5, which is here, and then positive 3.75 means on this line here. Okay, then we have -2 and 5.5. -2 and 5.5 means in the middle between 5 and 6. Then -1.5 and 4.25. -1.5 and 4. This is 4, then 4.25 here. Then I have -1 and 1.5. -1 and 1.5. So it is here between 1 and 5. Then I have -0.5 and -1.25. -0.5 and -1.25. -0.5 and -1.25. Then I have 0 and -2.5, which is here. This is the easiest. -0.5 and -7.5. This is 0.5 in the middle and negative here. And then 1 and 5.5, 1 and 5.5. Finally, we finished. Okay, what I'm going to do, I am going to join them, but in a smooth way. In what? A smooth way. And you can do it part by part if you cannot do it direct, like this. And then look here, but when you go up like this, don't touch then go down direct. It is like pass by it, like this, in a smooth way. Okay, then go down to this. And same here, touch it, don't go, don't do it very sharp. Touch it like this and go up here. I can repeat this part only. Any problem? Any problem?
No.
Okay, now he's telling me what this is bad important part. Please, please, please concentrate in this. Look here. This, what I draw here is, where is the graph of it? This y equal. This is the graph of it. Okay? Done? Okay. Now, he wants what? By drawing a suitable line on the graph, solve this graph. So this is another graph. Okay? Most of you did what? Did mod 5 3 to this only, or mod 5 1 to this, mod 5 4 to this only. No, this is wrong. I need to draw what? To draw a line, and this line consists of what? Consists of solving the two equations together. So what should I do whenever he says by drawing a suitable line and give me another equation, I will subtract the two equations together. I will subtract what? The two equations together. What is the first equation? The first equation is what? Y equal 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 25. This is what? The first equation. Okay? Okay, what is the second equation? The second equation, I will send this inside, so it will be equal 0. So it will be what? 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 4.5 equal 0. Any problem till now? Okay, can we subtract these together? Can we subtract this together? Yes, look here. Y minus 0. Y minus 0 equal y. Then 2x cubed minus 2x cubed erase. Done يعني. Cross. 6x squared minus 6x squared subtract. So 0. Negative 2.5 minus 4.5. Look here. Negative 2.5 minus 4.5 means negative 2.5 plus 4.5, which is 2. Now you got the equation of the line that he wants you to do, which is y equal 2. So I am going to go up like this and start to draw what? Y equal 2, like this. Any problem? It cuts the graph in how many points? 3 points. That means this line with the graph has 3 solutions. Again, that means what? This line with the graph has what? 3 solutions. This is the first solution. This is the second. This is the third. Okay, what is the x of this? This is negative 2.5, negative 2.6, then negative 2.65. So this is what the first one, negative 2.65. Then the second one, if you go down like this, you will find it negative 1.05. Okay? Negative 1.05. Okay? Or I think it should be negative 1.1. If you did it more accurate like this, whatever both are correct. Okay? Then the last one here. This is negative 5, so negative 6, so negative, look here, this should be so here negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, 0.7. Sorry, 0.7, not negative. Okay, you got it? Huh? You got it?
Yes.
What I want to mention again, what that this line, why it has the answer 3x's, because it cuts this line, which is y equal to, it cuts the graph in how many points? 3 points. So it has 3 solutions. Okay, look here, the next question back. He's telling you what if y equal, if 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 2.5 equal k. Equal k means what? يعني if y equal this and y equal k, both of them will have exactly 2 solutions. What is the meaning of y equal k? Means horizontal line. Would you please look at this and tell me, is there any chance to draw a horizontal line with only our crossing the graph only in 2 points? Huh?
No.
For example, if I draw the line, it should be horizontal like this. It will pass through how many points? 3 points. And here also 3. But here, can you wait for a second? Sorry, students, I have to answer this call. Okay, so if you draw this line, the horizontal line, it will pass through 3 points. Okay, طب is there any chance to draw a horizontal line and it is going to be passing through only 2 points? What do you think? Where should I draw it? Look here, I will draw it at this turning point up here. So it will pass through what? It will pass through only 2 points. This point and this point. Okay? Then, is there another line? Yes, from the down here. And this here. This line and this line. It will pass only this point and this point. So it will be what? Here, y equal 5.5 because this point is 5.5. And down here, y equal negative 2.5. So k equal what? K equal 5.5 and negative 2.5. I want to say something here, okay? It will be what? That the two possible values of k, sometimes he tell me what is the greatest possible value, so I will write 5.5 only. And sometimes he say what is the lowest possible value, I will make it what? Negative 2.5. Any problem here? Done?
No. Yes.
Okay. Is there any problem in this part? Did you check this before? Did you check this one? Okay, we can do this. Okay. Sketch this graph. Okay. How should I sketch this graph?
Normalize over run.
I can use rise over run, but I will tell you what is the problem of rise or overrun, okay? Look here, first I will start with what the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept here? 4, right? So I will go to here and make a point which is 4. Now, I know the gradient is negative, so it will be what? It will be like this. I know the gradient is what? Negative, so it will be like this. Okay? What do I have to do now to find it intercepts with x where? Intercepts with what? Huh? With x where? Okay? What should I do? If I did rise over run, it will mean, it means what? Go down 3 and go to the right one. Okay, so when I go down 3 and go to the right one, it will tell me this point, and this point will not, it will not increase something. It will be the same. So I want to get where it intersects with x-axis, where it intersects with what? X-axis. So I am going to put y equals 0. So y equal 4 minus 3x. Send the 3x to the other side. So 3x equal 4. So x equal 4 over 3. Okay? So this point will be what? 4 over 3. You got it? Huh?
Yes.
Any problem?
Miss,
Yeah.
you put a point above 4/3. What does that mean?
No, just one of the students now said that I can do rise over run. I was showing her that if you did rise over run, the point will come here. It will not be effective, so no need to do it. Only I want what is the y-intercept and what is the y-intercept and what is the x-intercept. Okay?
Okay, thank
And
you.
you can put the points like this also. Okay. For this, y equal negative x squared. Okay. These are two famous questions. Y equal x squared and y equal negative x squared. Okay, so this is y equal x squared and this is y equal negative x squared. It is like a parabola like this. This is called parabola. Okay? Any problem?
No.
Okay, for this question, who still confused in doing this question?
Me.
Me
Oh,
also.
okay, look here. We have two methods to do this. The traditional way that we used to do it, and another way, if you see it that it is easier for you, take it or leave it. Okay? What is the traditional way? The traditional way is to isolate x or y and substitute with it in the other one, right? This is what we used to do. For example, I'm going to what? To isolate x. Send 3y to the other side. Okay, so x will be equal 3y plus 13, right? And then remove this x to open bracket and write 3y plus 13 power 2 minus 9y equals 16 again. This is the first way. What did I do? I isolated x. I got it 3y plus 13. Then removed x and put instead of it this. Outside 2 and then power 2 and complete. Any problem in this? This is the traditional way. Then start to do what? Start to expand this and collect like terms and do what? Mod 5-3. Okay? I will do it in another way. If you see it, it is easier, take it. I will deal with it as concentrate, okay? I will deal with it as if it is two equations, okay? For the two equations, if I want to add or subtract them, I have to find one of them having the same coefficient. I don't have here only y. So I have to make y having the same coefficient. So I will multiply the upper one by -3. Okay? This will be what? It will be -3x. Then plus 9y equal 13. Equal -39. Any problem in this step? What did I do? I multiplied by what? By -3. So it will be -3x positive 9y equal -39. Then I will put this here as it is. No, nothing will change. 2x squared minus 9y equal 116. Now I am going to add the two equations. Okay? What will be crossed? This will be crossed. Why they will be crossed? Because they are the same term, but one positive, one negative. They are the same term, but one positive, one negative. Okay? So if we are adding them, can we add two different terms like this? Can we make it 2 minus 3 is -1? No, because this is x squared and
No.
this is x. So I will write them as it is. 2x squared minus 3x equal then 116 minus 39 equal 77. Any problem till now? Huh? What did I do here? I put them as they are. 2x squared and -3x. Why did I do that? Because I cannot add them because they are not like terms. Okay? Now, خلاص, I literally finished. Send this to the other side by negative. 2x squared minus 3x minus 77 equal 0. Mod 5, 3. 2 equal -3 equal -77 equal. Then, so I will get what? On the calculator, x equals 7, so I will write it as x minus 7. And on the calculator, x minus, so from here I will have x equals 7, and here x equal -11 over 2. So I will write it here x plus 11, and this, instead of writing over 2, I will put it down there. Then write from here that x equals 7 and x equal -11 over 2. So from here, if he wants x only, I got it. Now I have to substitute to get what? Y. Okay, so I will substitute where? I will substitute here. So 7 minus 3y equal 13. So -3y equal 13 minus 7. Then divide by -3. It will be, this one first will be 6. Then y equal -2. Then here substitute -11 over 2 minus 3y equal 13. Send this to the other side by positive. So -3y equal 37 over 2. Then send this -3 to the other side by dividing. So y equal -37 over 6. Okay, then put the answers here: 7 and -11 over 2. Here -2, -37 over 6. Any problem in this?
Miss, could you repeat from like the brackets?
From here, خلاص, you
Yeah,
got
Miss.
x. Yeah, you got, this is the value of x. Substitute in the first one to get y. And this is the value of x. Substitute also in the first one to get the value of y. That's it. And write xy, xy. Okay?
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any problem? Any problem in this? Can I say this? What do you
Miss,
think?
can you do this question?
Okay, okay. He's telling me what? He's giving me this pyramid and telling me calculate the volume of the pyramid and giving me the rule. The rule is very easy, that volume equal 1 over 3. The area of the base, how did I know? He said the area of the base, A, multiply by H. So 1 over 3 multiply. What is the area of the base? The base equal what? The base equal a square. So the area of the square is 12 multiplied by 12. Then multiply by h, which is the height. What is the height of the pyramid? 9. So multiply by 9. So it is 432. Any problem for that? Okay, then calculate the total surface area of the pyramid. How to calculate the total surface area? Would you please tell me how many faces do I have here? I have here 5 faces. Yes, the square down and 4 identical what? Triangles. So here the total surface area equal a square and 4 identical what? Triangles. For the square, it is easy. The area of the square, 12 multiplied by 12. And then 4 multiply. What is the area of the triangle? Half multiply by base multiply by height. Okay. This is the triangle. Okay. I will take it. You can take it the one in front of you, and you can take it what? The one facing you, or you can take it at this one. You can take whatever you want. I will shade this to just to do what? To feel it. Okay? Then, what is the base? 12. Okay, 12. What is the height? Where is the height? What do you think here? Where is the height? The height of
9 centimeters.
No, this is the problem. This is the common mistake. This 9 centimeter, Ihsan, is the height of the whole pyramid. This 9 centimeter is what? The height of the whole pyramid. I want the height of the 2D shape, which is triangle FBC. FBC. So the height of it will be what? From F and perpendicular on BC. From F and what? Perpendicular like this on BC, the slant one, the inclined one. طب how to get this back? I have to put it in a triangle to do this. Okay, so if I thought about putting it in a triangle which is F, I will name this X, which is FXC. I can get XC because it is half the 12, so it is 6. Okay, but I cannot get FC. Now, what about putting them in this triangle? This one, the red one. What do you think about this? Do I have the dimensions? Yes. I have this is 9 and this is half the 12, so this is 6. So how to get this back? The height of
Pythagoras.
triangle. Yes. Root 9 square plus 6 square. It will be equal 10.82. So go down here and put h equal what? 10.82 multiplied by 12. Then this, then add this, it will be 403.599, whatever. You can round it to be 403.6. Okay.
Miss, could you go up for just 1 second to the diagram?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a bit more up. Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, any problem concerning this, or shall we go to another? Okay, this one, can I do it? Paulo, mean mark for 7 homeworks tasks is 17. Okay, so that means, well, how to get the mean? The sum of the marks, the sum of the 7 homeworks divided by what? Divided by 7. So if he said the mean equals 17 means the sum of 7 homeworks divided by 7 equal 17. Okay, till now any problem? Okay. Can I get the sum? Yes. Send this to the other side by multiply. So the sum will be equal 17 multiplied by 7. So the sum will be equal 119. Any problem in this part? Okay. Then after completing the 8th task, the mean became what? 17.5. Okay, this became 17.5. How many tasks now? 8. So what are the sum? The sum was 119. What happened? I added, or he added for it the mark of the 8th task, which is x. Okay, now what should I do? I can do it shift solve, or I can do it by calculating 17.5 times 8, 140, then subtract from it minus 119, it will be 21. You got it? Any problem in this exam? To be honest, you have, before the exam, you have to do what? To finish at least يعني from 2023, 3 years back. Okay? Three exams during the year, variant 2, fair enough. Okay, if you go through another variant, so this will be great, but fair enough for now. Okay, any problem? Can we go to another exam now?
Yes.
Okay, we can choose October, November 2023. What do you think? Yeah, okay. I want to tell, we already solved a lot again in this part, but I want to solve something in this part that has an idea, and you have to make this idea familiar with you. Okay, now he's telling me what translate the triangle T by the vector -7 and 1 and label it image K. Okay, from -7, what is the meaning of -7, 1? Means, means what? 7 units left and 1 unit up. Any problem in that? Do not get confused between rise over run and the translation. In rise over run, you do the vertical and then the horizontal. But in the translation, you do the horizontal, then the vertical. So it is 7 units left and 1 unit up. Okay? So I will take each point of this and go 7 left, 1 up. 7 left, 1 up. This one, 7 left, 1 up. Then this one, 7 left, 1 up. Sorry, we did it here. 7 left and 1 up. Then 7 left and 1 up. And this 7 left and 1 up. And draw it like this and label it K. Okay, any problem in this? Okay, can you read the next question? Describe fully the single transformation that maps K onto T. What do you think? From K to T. What do you think from K to T is?
Translation.
Yes, translation. Why especially translation?
Because the shape It was moved without the shape changing or the
Yes,
shape increasing in
exactly.
size.
Same size, same orientation. Okay. But here, the hint that I want to say that you have to be smart. You have to be smart. What about this? Look here. He wants from K to T. And you just did in the last question from T to K again. He wants what from K to T. يعني going back, the inverse of the first question. So without doing anything, in the inverse, the transformation keep as it is. يعني up it was translate, so it will be translation only. Also. Okay, but the vector, it was -7 and 1, it will be 7 and -1. Just change the sign. So when you go back, change the sign of the translation vector. When you go back, change the sign of the translation vector. Okay? Any problem? Okay. Reflect triangle T in the line y equal 4. Where is y equal 4? Here I will draw the line. Y equal 4. Then I'm going to do what? To reflect on it. If the point on the line, خلاص, it will be the same. Then reflect this how? I will count to the line. 1, 2, then
Two up.
count again. 1, 2. So it will be here. 1, 2, 1, 2. It will be here. Then join. Done. Did he said no, nothing, no name, so name. Okay, then rotate T 90-degree clockwise about 0 and 0. I recommend again and again and again, use the tracing paper. Use what? The tracing paper. Any problem in using the tracing paper, of any problem using the tracing paper, I will revise it the day of the exam in the morning again. Okay? Okay, next question. Enlarge the triangle T by scale factor -half. Okay, with the center 0 and 0. Look here بقى. The enlargement with a scale factor, okay, will be what? Will be done by the what? The compass or the ruler. But if it is only center 0 and 0, that means I can do it by what? Direct, by mental way. Again, the enlargement, I will do it with the ruler and compass, with the ruler and compass. But if it is 0 and 0, I will do it direct in what? A mental way. Okay, how to do it in the mental way back, but you can still do it by the ruler and compass. It's up to you. Okay, I will write here the numbers of what? The points. I will locate the points or plot the points of the triangle, which is 2 and 2, then 6 and 2, then 6 and 4. Then multiply all the numbers by -half. Okay, multiply 2 by -half, -1, -1. Multiply by -half, -3, -1. Multiply by -half, -3, -2. Okay, then locate them. -1 and -1 here. -3 and -1 here. -3 and -2 here. So do what? Like this and name it B. Finish. Okay, then describe fully single transformation from B to T. That means going to the back. Going to the back means the same enlargement, and the same center also. But what about the scale factor? Flip it. flip it only without switching the sign. So it will be -2. You got it? Any problem in this exam?
Miss, I want to ask,
Yeah.
when they say rotate triangle T through 90 degrees clockwise about 0, 0, what does this 0, 0 mean?
It is the center of rotation. So you can do it with the
Tracing paper.
yeah, tracing paper. I revised it at school before the exam again. Okay, any problem in this exam?
Okay.
Okay, can we go through another exam? We can do October, November. Okay, we can stop for like 2 minutes only and then go through October, November. Okay? Any problem?
No, miss.
No, miss.